good morning everybody, good morning. It is a beautiful day today and it is my birthday and I'm gonna go get some breakfast because I am starving. I've not had anything to eat all day, so we'll get some food. I have finally made it to 12 years old. I'm as young as I feel. But yeah, 27. I'm getting old. I'm getting old, people. I forgot. Food came. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, okay, so I'm going go-karting. Oh wait, I can't wait. So I am on the grounds of Bushy Park. As you can see, they got some toys over there, and I'm rocking my girlfriend's shades. Yeah, feeling cool. Now, gonna hit these go-karts right now. It's gonna be so lit, yo! It's gonna be so lit. Right now, my birthday is off to an amazing start. I wonder if I can get to drive that car. That would be sick. That would be so sick. Oh my God, here we go. Here are the bad boys, man. Yeah, I'm gonna wreck one of these today, I tell you that right now. Oh yeah. God, that was an amazing experience. I can't believe I actually drove the go-kart on Bushy Park's track. I always wanted to do that. Thanks, babe. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I feel like crying. I feel like crying. Oh, that was the best birthday present ever. Oh, so my fastest time, right? My fastest time is 26.234. Now, just to let you guys know, that's very slow, right? That's very slow. But the reason why I was driving so slow.
Hey!
What? It's true. That's the reason why I was driving so slow. However, the next time I go, I'm gonna beat that. I'm gonna beat that time. Almost done. All right, so I'm about to go do a brush. I'm about to do a photo shoot for my birthday. It's gonna be epic, it's gonna be sick, it's gonna be sexy, I'm gonna be fly. I am going to look so sexy, it's not even funny. It's about to go down. I'm gonna get my modeling game on, you understand? You see me? But yeah, photo shoot time, it's about to go down, it's gonna be epic. I can't wait to see what else she has planned for me. Right, babe? All right.